Every time people walk into the bakery, they say, "Oh, it smells so good in here." And I love that. I like that it makes them feel instantly happy. I'm Beth McEntee, and I'm the owner of Niagara Food Company. We're a bakery located in St. Catharines, and every day we make home-style, gourmet meals and delicious desserts. My favorite part of the day is having a really good cup of coffee, getting to work with my favorite people, making pies, pulling them out of the oven. They smell great, it's nice and warm, it's very cozy. I don't think that there's anything really extraordinary or crazy different that we do. I think that we offer simple, honest, good food. If you were to walk into the store today, you would find fresh baked pies, butter tarts, and cookies. That's a guarantee. Soups, quiches, dinner pies, and cheesecakes, all sorts of things that you can take home. You pop in the oven and have a really delicious meal. And then you're also gonna find really unique and maybe kind of hard to find pantry items. Honestly, I fill the store with all the things that I wanna have in my kitchen. One of the greatest things that we do is we have a Pie of the Month Club, and we call it Sweetie's Pie Club. And what it is every month you get a specialty, unique pie that we do not normally make. It's definitely something you've never tried before, maybe something that's never even existed before, but it's super unique, super delicious. This one time at the farmer's market, this elderly man came up to me and said to me, "Your pastry tastes exactly the same as my mother's did." And his eyes welled up with tears a little bit, and he just was like, "You might not think of this because I'm old, but I still miss my mom every day. I still think about her, and your pastry reminded me of her." And that's why I do it. That's everything for me. That makes me so happy. I feel like everybody who walks into the bakery is a friend, and I want to make food that you feel good sharing with your family. If you're looking for a really great fruit pie or maybe something for dinner, come on into the bakery. We'll make you feel right at home.